Hey, what's up you guys? It's KawaiiSTARcrunch, and I know that it is like super duper late, and at the time that I'm recording this, we only have 5 days left until Christmas. Wow. Wow. But because I have always consecutively put out an Ornaments video, I wanted to make sure that I had one out here for you guys today. So maybe if you don't have the time to make them this year, you can totally use this idea next year. Yeah. So, if you can tell by my attire today, the theme is Haikyu! Yes, that volleyball anime. I made Christmas ornaments of a couple of the teammates. Hinata, aka my sunny son. That didn't make any sense, but he's my son. So, you know, I based them off of their little bird forms that they have. I know that there's a technical term for them, but I can't remember it right now because, you know, brain cells, I'm lacking them. But basically, those little things. So I had this little keychain, finger puppet thing. So this one's Hinata. And then I had some references that I used to do Kageyama and Tsukushima and Nishinoya, because those are like my 4 top boys. So yeah, here's Hinata, and Nishinoya and Kageyama and Tsukushima will all be shown later in this video. So are you ready? I hope you're ready, because let's go! Karasuno fight! Os! Look at them. Aren't they great? Well, I guess that's the end of the video. Honestly, Tsukishima has the best face to me out of all my birds. I'm sorry, Hinata. But Tsukishima totally freaking wins. Like, I don't know why, but he ended up being my favorite. Like, look how detailed those glasses and his hair and his little angry eyebrows. Like, gosh, I love him. My little angry Suki. So, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And give a thumbs up if you like Haikyu. Or just give a thumbs up if you like me. And I want to wish you a very happy holidays. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. And I will see you in the next video, which will probably be the last video of this year. Whoa. So, yeah, I will see you in the next video. KawaiiSTARcrunch out. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.